Hello my lovely people, let me show you how to make Milo at home. First of all, you want to get your white sugar. Once you get your sugar, you pour that in your blender and blend this into a very fine smooth powder. You can also use icing sugar for this. After blending your sugar, this is what I have. Can you see how smooth my sugar is? The next thing, I want to combine all my ingredients together. So I go ahead and add my powdered milk. After adding my powdered milk, I add my cocoa powder. After adding my cocoa powder, I add my milk flavor. Then lastly, I add egg whites. So once I add all my ingredients together, I'm going to go ahead and blend this together until everything is well combined. Check the caption or the description box for the list of the measurement that I use. So you make sure that while blending it, everything is well mixed together very well. So after blending, this is what I have, and our Milo is almost ready. So I'm just going to go ahead and mix this together and make sure that there is no lumps again inside. So I'm going to mix everything very well. Then once I finish mixing this, the next thing I want to do is that I'm going to get my dehydrator and I'm going to pour that on my dehydrator, and I'll allow that to dry completely for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. You can also use your oven for this process. So after dehydrating this for about 30 to 1 hour, this is what I have. My homemade Milo tea is ready. So I just give that a very quick mix together, then Milo is ready. So you go ahead and store this in an airtight container and you have your Milo whenever you want to drink your Milo tea. So I go ahead and make some tea for myself so that you guys will see exactly how it looks like. This tastes really good. It tastes exactly like Milo. So I hope you'll be trying this recipe. Don't forget to like and share and follow for more recipes.